verdict and the sentencing itself. Today, because all they wanted was to have me sleep here for one night, but they didn't know the reason why the Deputy President is not here. He is at Grahamstown. Because when you apply for leave to appeal and they refuse it, you have to apply for bail. She has a right to refuse it. Then you must petition the High Court to apply for bail at the High Court. So we've got the Deputy President in Grahamstown with papers ready, so that when she says, you are not getting bail, you are going to sleep here, the Deputy President immediately files the papers at the High Court and make an agent application. We are not small children. We prepare for any eventuality. If she goes this way, we go the other way. If she goes this way, we go the other way. Because we know that we are dealing with an invisible hand, and therefore you have to be prepared at all material